Start with the 41 example, and what is said in this example, a uniform ladder of length 10 meter. So here this is our ladder, and its length is 10 meter and its mass is 16 kg. So 16 kg is the mass of this ladder, is resting on against a vertical wall, making an angle 37 degree with it. So it is making an angle 37 degree with the vertical wall, and this is horizontal floor ground. It is rough. An electrician weighing 60 kg climbs up the ladder. So here somewhere up here the electrician is there whose weight is 60 kg. If he stays 8 meter from the lower end, the electrician is 8 meter from the lower end. What will be the normal force and the frictional force on the ladder by the ground? So obviously the ground will exert normal reaction force and frictional force on the ladder in this way. Let this end is A and this end is B, so the normal reaction on the ladder is NA and NB. What should be the minimum value of mu that we have to find? So let's first of all, in the next page I will draw the FBD of this ladder. So let's draw the FBD, that is free body diagram of this ladder. So this is the free body diagram of the ladder. The frictional force is acting here. The reaction from end A and A is acting upward. The weight of the ladder which is acting in the downward direction, which is 16 kg, so I'll write 16 g. The person is how much away from this? So 60 kg person climb up the ladder. If he stays on the ladder point 8 meter from the lower end. Okay, 8 meter from the lower end. The complete ladder is 10 meter length. So 8 meter from the lower end would be here, and it would be 60 g, while the reaction from B is acting in this direction, and this angle is given to us 37 degree. So obviously this angle would be 53 degree, and this angle will be 37 degree. Okay, now let's start solving. As the ladder is in equilibrium, so I can say total force acting up must be equal to total force acting down. So here I can say NA is the only force which is acting down. It is the only force which is acting up. So that would be equal to 16g plus 60g. That comes out to be 76g. So here one unknown, that is NA, is known to us. Now total force acting towards right must be equal to total force acting toward left. So you will see that the force acting towards right is the frictional force, and to the left is the normal reaction from end B. That is the only thing. So as NA is known to us, this is the equation 1 where F is equal to MB. Now let's take sum of all torque about any point is 0. So I will take point A because two unknowns will get NA and F will not be considered in the equation. And as the weight of the ladder is this, total ladder is of 10 meters, so this distance would be 5 meter, and torque is Fr sin theta. So here F is 16g into R is 5, while angle between them is 37 degree. Let us say which type of torque is this. So it is the clockwise torque, and clockwise torque we will take negative. Similarly, torque due to 16g is also clockwise. Multiply force F into R, as it is said that it is 8 meter away. So I will write this as 8 meter because distance from end A to where the electrician is standing is 8 meter, into sin theta, again sin 37, while this particular torque is the anti-clockwise torque. So I'll take this positive. NB into the total length of the ladder is 10 meter, so this is 10 meter, and angle between them is 53 degrees, so this will be sin 53 equal to 0. Now let's solve. 16 5s are, so that would be 80 into g. Sin 37 will be 3 by 5 minus 8 6 are 48, 480 into g into sin 37 is again 3 by 5 plus NB into 10 into sin 53 will be 4 by 5 equal to 0. So this is 5 1s and 5 16s are, this is 5 1s are, 5 9s are 45, and 5 6 are 30. So minus 48g minus 3 6 are 18 1 carry, 3 ones are 27 plus 1 28, plus 5 2s are 10 and 2 4s are 8, 8 and b equal to 0 g. So 8 and b comes out to be 288g plus 48g. So 288 plus 48. So 8 plus 8 16 1 carry, 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13 1 carry, 2 plus 1 will be 3 336. So NB comes out to be 336 divided by 8 g. Now let's divide. So I can say 8 4s are 32 and 8 2s are 16, 42g. So we have got the answer as NA and NB. So I can say NA is 76g, NB is 42g, while frictional force is also 42g. On putting the value of g, which is not said here, so I will take g as 9.8. We can get the required answer in Newton. Coefficient of friction. So minimum coefficient, as frictional force is nothing but mu into normal reaction. So this frictional force will be equal to mu into NA. So I will substitute mu into NA, that is 76g, is equal to friction 42g. So this g and this g get cancelled. So I can the value of mu comes out to be 42 upon 76. So what should be the nearest fraction for 42 upon 76? Let's solve this. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. Okay, 21 by 38, and minimum friction is being asked here. So on solving, you will get the required answer as approximately mu is equal to 0.553. That is the value of mu. Now 76 into g and the other value, if you multiply it by g, so let's multiply 76 into g, that is 9.8. So 8 6 are 48, 4 carry, 8 7s are 42 plus 4 46, plus 9 6 are 54, 5 carry, 9 7s are okay, so 9 7s are 63 plus 5 will be 68. Let's add them. So on adding, you will get answer as 8, 6 plus 4 10, 0 1 carry, 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13 3 1 carry, 7308, point after 1 digit, so that would be 730 Newton. That would be the answer. Okay, so the answer nearly comes out to be 412 Newton, again 412 Newton, and this is 76 multiplied by this. How much is the result? Again I will do it one more time. 76 into 98, 8 6 are 48, 4 carry, 8 7s are 56 plus 4 60, plus 9 6 are 54, 4 5 carry, 9 7s are 63, 68, 8 4, 8 plus 6 14, 4 1 carry, 7. So that comes out to be 744.8 Newton. So here these are the answers to this particular question. Thank you.